Hello YouTube friends. It's an unbelievable 57 degrees today here in the Buckeye State. We did get some snow last week. It's melting off, but we're going to show you what we've been up to today. We got out of the house for a while. I do want to say Merry Christmas to everyone out there. I don't want to forget that. And to show you around here. Show you what we've been up to in the barn there. Sure is a lot of leaves come down, that's for sure. Right now, them chickens are going to be on hold, but them rabbits are a definite. The rabbits are coming. Let's walk over here. Say God bless America. Heck yeah. Let me show you what I've been up to in the barn. We're getting ready to pour us another slab. We're going to pour that joker tomorrow. We don't care if it's Christmas Eve. Work never stops. We're going to pour that rascal tomorrow. This will be number 6. Slab number 6. Just a little cool outside. We thought we'd build us a little fire in here. Knocks the chill off. We found a new bushcraft channel that we want to tell you about. And I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right or not. I want to say it's Cimbrer Bushcraft. And the fellow's over in Denmark. But he's got one of the nicest bushcraft channels I've ever seen. And he does some really nice leather work. Some really nice bushcrafting. And some crafts. Does some really nice crafts, but he made a little item out of a board like this right here. And this is a piece of cherry that we milled down from this piece of wood right here. We cut it down and we're going to make us a little item like he did. He made a little bushcraft cutting board. And it was just the neatest thing I've ever seen. With all the leather work and everything that he put into it, I've never seen anything like it. We were so impressed that we just couldn't wait to come and make us one. So we thought while we're over here, we'd go ahead and mill the board out. And of course, we'll customize it to look like, you know how we are. We got to customize and put a little old school spin with a modern twist on everything. Let me say God bless to you. Thanks for coming by the channel. Again, I believe it's Cimbrer. I want to say Cimbrer Bushcraft. And he's made that little cutting board. You can go check his channel out. I like him. Friendly man. All right, you have a good evening. Thanks for coming by the channel and watching the video. We'll catch you in the next one.